I think so. Okay, we can start.
Welcome to my presentation again. My topic is a study on the biomass energy potential of Turkey, example of wood pellets. The increasing impact of energy resources on social life and the need for them is due to the fundamental reasons such as population growth and economic development, as well as the change in the social relations and the formation of an increasingly energy-intensive lifestyle. It is relationship with energy resources, which started to develop since the early periods of humanity gained momentum, especially with the Industrial Revolution, and in the last 200 years primary energy consumption increased by 3000% and carbon dioxide emissions by 2000%. In addition to being the natural research that experience this pressure most severely, forests play an important role in the production of sustainable and clean energy, especially within the scope of combating global climate change, together with the technological developments. In addition to energy forestry, the use of trunk barks and bark, roots, branch, and leaves that remain idle in forests as a result of production activities has gained importance today. Biomass energy has found a wide application area all over the world, with its features that reduce dependence on fossil fuels, can be stored and transported compared to other renewable energy resources, as well as environmental friendly sustainable energy production and environmental management. Many countries have started to use biomass and especially wood-based fuels in order to achieve their emission targets. Wood pellet, which is included in biomass fuels, draws attention especially due to its superiority over other biomass fuels in terms of its physical characteristics and combustion properties. Wood pellets are fuel chunks of 6-10 mm diameter that are obtained by drying wood waste that is ground to make sawdust and compressed under high pressure. Densification consists of three stages: drying, grinding, and pelleting. Sawdust, which initially has 50–60% moisture content, is often dried to reduce the moisture content to 10%. In the second stage, this sawdust is screened through a grid of approximately 6.4 or 3.2 mm diameter, pressed and transformed into pellets. Pellets are pressed at approximately 70–90 Celsius, then cooled to 25 Celsius and then packed. For wood pellet, the European Union study group has attempted to standardize all solid biofuels that are defined within biomass. European Union wood pellet standards have been proposed designated CAN/TS. In addition, many European countries have developed their own quality standards. For example, Austria use norm standards, Germany use DIN, and Italy uses pellet gold standards. When we look at the Turkey's biomass energy potential, biomass energy in Turkey is classic oriented and mostly used as fuel without any commercial purpose. Biomass energy fulfills 25% of domestic energy production. You can see Turkey's classic and plant biomass energy generation on table. Forest wastes are crucial sources of biomass. Commercial forestry activities produce waste biomass in the form of twigs, roots, pine cones, peelings, forest undercover, and bushes. Woody biomass from forest tending and thinning activities in some regional directorates of forestry are chipped and used in the production of particle board or as a fuel in the heating systems. The woody biomass potential of General Director of Forestry that can be used in the bioenergy is estimated as 5 million tons annually. The greatest potential is in the western and southern parts of Turkey, where forestry activities are dense, especially in the Mediterranean region. You can see the Turkey's annual biomass energy potential on table. The forest sector has been expanding in Turkey. Industrial wood production reached 22 million and fuel wood reached 5.6 million. Approximately 50% of the trees that are cut for production consist of parts that cannot be utilized as industrial products. So, approximately 10 million of forest waste can be obtained from 22 million of industrial wood production. According to studies, 5 stars of forest wastes are equal to 1 ton. In this concept, approximately 600 kg wood pellet is produced from 1 ton wood. According to our calculations, 6 million tons of wood pellets are produced from 10 million tons of woody biomass, with a market value of approximately $1.1 billion. Economic comparison of the Turkish context indicates that wood pellet is more advantageous than other energy sources. One house in Turkey requires approximately 50 gigajoule heating energy, which would require 2 tons of coal or 2.6 wood pellets. Wood pellet has lower energy value than other energy sources because it has lower energy density. However, this low energy value and high rate of usage means that wood pellet is cheaper than other energy sources. Finally, Turkey have to increase the production and consumption of the wood pellet. Public institutions should raise public awareness of Turkey's existing bioenergy potential. Legislation should be introduced to encourage private sector investment in order to create a market for wood pellet, wood briquette, and biofuels produced from wood raw material. In addition, national production standards should be. Thank you for listening.
Okay, okay. Thank you for this presentation. Toksoy, Çolak, and Bayramoğlu, and wood pellets, another important subject for Turkey.